If your Wi-Fi says no internet secured on Windows, in this video I'll show you how to fix it. A few different things can cause this, so we'll run through the fixes one by one, starting with the most likely. The first thing we need to do is click the network icon in the bottom right of your taskbar, turn Wi-Fi off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Give it a moment to reconnect. If it's still not working, open your Wi-Fi settings, click Manage Known Networks, and click Forget. Then reconnect and type in your password again. If it still says no internet, the next thing to do is restart everything. Restart your PC first and let it fully boot back up. Then head over to your router, unplug it, wait about 30 seconds and plug it back in. Wait a minute or two for it to come back online. This pulls a fresh connection and clears the most common cause. If that didn't do it, we'll renew your connection through command prompt. Right-click the Start button and select Terminal Admin. This opens the command prompt as an administrator. You'll get the prompt asking for permission, so click Yes, type ipconfig/release, and press Enter. Your connection will drop for a second here, which is normal. Next, type ipconfig/renew and press Enter. And wait while it grabs a new address. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a message saying the DNS resolver cache was flushed. If you're still stuck, in that same window, type net sh /winsock reset and press Enter. Then type net sh int ip reset and press Enter. These won't take effect until you reboot, so restart your PC now. Don't skip the restart or the reset won't apply. If it's still not working, the next thing is your Wi-Fi driver. Right-click your Start menu and open Device Manager. Then expand Network Adapters. If your adapter isn't obvious, look for the one with wireless, Wi-Fi, or 802.11 in the name. Right-click it and choose Update Driver. If this problem started right after a recent update, choose Rollback Driver instead, though that option will be grayed out if there's no older version saved. And select Search Automatically for drivers. If nothing has worked, the last thing we're going to do is a full network reset. Be aware this removes and reinstalls all your network adapters and wipes your saved Wi-Fi passwords and VPN settings, so you'll need to set those up again. Right-click your Start menu, go to Settings. On the left, go to Network and Internet, then scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings at the bottom. Then select Network Reset and click Reset Now. One thing to check before you blame Windows, if other devices on the same network also have no internet, the problem is your router or your provider, and none of these fixes will help. And if you'd set a static IP or custom DNS manually, that can cause this too. Your Wi-Fi will now be connected with working internet. Let me know in the comments which step fixed it for you.